What's up, everybody? Real quick intro here. Swatara Creek 2-bait challenge. Spinner bait and a crankbait. Swatara Creek bass fishing. Here we go.
Beautiful.
Okay, so I lied.
What?
We're gonna do the 3-bait challenge. Here's your crankbait, 2 spinner baits. Here we go. First cast of the day. Yeah, there's a bunch of them. Bunch of geese.
Nice part about this shit is you get your lure stuck.
Just walk to it.
Walk and get it.
There we go. There's one. Oh! Man!
Nice, bro. Nice.
Holy cow! Look at that, boys and girls.
Thank you.
There we go. First fish in a long time.
Solid lake.
Yeah, 1.5 pounds. Yeah. There you go, baby. All right, everyone. Well, it's a few days later now. Only got that one fish, so trying here in a few days. Tomorrow, actually, probably when this video will come out. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one.